Today, let's understand this card through a simple image. Imagine a man standing in front of a table. On the table, there are four objects: a cup, a sword, a wand, and a pentacle. One hand is pointing towards the sky, and the other is pointing towards the ground, as if he is saying, what is above can be created below. He looks focused, confident, and powerful. And above his head, there is an infinity symbol, showing that his power and abilities are limitless. This is the magician. Now, let's understand the meanings clearly. If this card comes upright, it indicates manifestation and creation. It shows that you have all the skills and resources you need. It represents confidence, focus, and strong communication. It tells you that you can turn your ideas into reality. At the same time, it asks you to take action and use your abilities. If this card comes reversed, it shows lack of confidence. It indicates misuse of skills or manipulation. It shows confusion or not using your full potential. This card asks you to believe in yourself and stay honest. Yes or no. If this card comes upright, it is a yes. If this card comes reversed, it is a no. Planet, energy, and chakra. The planet associated with this card is Mercury. It represents communication and intelligence. The element is air, which relates to thoughts and ideas. The chakra associated is the throat chakra, which represents communication and expression. Now, let's understand the life areas. Career studies. If this card comes upright, it shows success through your skills and ideas. It is a good time to start something new or lead a project. If this card comes reversed, it shows lack of focus or poor use of skills. You may need to improve communication. Love emotions. If this card comes upright, it shows strong communication and attraction. It indicates growth through honest expression. If this card comes reversed, it shows manipulation or misunderstanding. There may be confusion in communication. Health. If this card comes upright, it shows good energy and mental strength. You can improve health with focus and discipline. If this card comes reversed, it shows stress or lack of direction. You may need balance and clarity. General guidance. If this card comes upright, it tells you that you already have everything you need. It encourages you to take action confidently. If this card comes reversed, it tells you to stop doubting yourself. Use your abilities wisely. So, you already have the power. Now it's time to use it.